waterfall or waterfalling. Yeah.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you need a tungkod. I should bring the other one. Oh. Yeah, it's very steep.
Dangerous times don't fly.
I'll show you.
Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
Show you the old lady.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
This is the way to the waterfall and suspension bridge. But we're not going to the waterfall. We're going to the suspension bridge. I think that suspension bridge is like the one in Vancouver. Yeah, it's a huge one. Wow. This is very challenging. It's very challenging. Okay, very challenging. Terrible at walking. Oh my God. Look at that. I cannot control my going down. It's too hard. Very steep. Yeah. So we are now here in Collingwood. We're checking out this scenic area. The cost to enter to see the forest is $35. Yeah. $35 para ka lang mamasyal sa gubat. Okay, let's check out which one. I think going to the left is going home. Oh. That's a lot of... Is there a waterfall? Or waterfalling? Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at this formation.
I kids, for sure kids do that.
Look at the sun.
It's chilly, eh?
Yeah, it's chilly here.
It's chilly day.
Wow, look at that formation. So we're going up. Another up and down, before we see the suspension bridge. But it's very colorful.
If you go to the suspension bridge, then suspension dress.
Yeah, we're almost there. I can see the light.
The end of the tunnel.
I can see the end of the tunnel. We're just starting and we're running out of energy. My goodness. Oh. Oh, that's the bridge. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is the suspension bridge they call. We're just gonna take picture late, and there we go. Okay, take picture.
So let's just sit here at the heat.
So this is the suspension bridge. Ito na. That's the suspension bridge. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Okay, we are entering now the bridge. That's the bridge.
London Bridge is falling down.
Let's see.
Oh, this is not as bad. It's moving. Sige ate, lulundag ka dyan. Oh, picture. Oh, doon pala, mali. Ay, madam, pwede niyo kaming kunan, dalawa. Okay, so here we go. That's the bridge. And let's go to the middle. Walk na lang. Yan o. The bridge is moving. Yan. Look at that. It's nice scenery. Okay. Go walk so I can take video of you. Okay. It looks like this is it, Sitan.
Yeah.
Very small.
Yeah, this small bridge.
It's not even 1,000 meters.
Sige. Kita nyo na lang kayo sa YouTube. Yeah, this is it.
Let's have another photo here.
Okay. This is the suspension bridge. And this is the end of the suspension bridge. And there's a lookout there. That's the lookout. Now we're gonna check the Scenic Caves. Oh, that's Georgian Bay Coastal Road. That's the one. That's a Georgian Bay. Let's check out.
Binang tubig di kayo mag-picture.
Yeah, Georgian Bay.
Ako na lang.
So we're going back to the main building to check the caves. We're gonna go check the caves. So we have to go back another 0.5 kilometers of walking. Okay. So we're back to the main building. Now we're going to see the caves on the other side. This is the administration. I'm still catching my breath. It's hard to go up. Huh? Yeah, there's another parking there. So this is the caves in cavern. What's cavern? Going to the caves. Ah, okay. Now you know. On the left side is the suspension. Now let's go check out the 400 million years of age caves.